This is our trip to Breathless in Punta Cana for our 10th anniversary. And this is our room in the Exile Club. So we enter, we can see they already brought our luggage for us. It was waiting for us. We start right here in the minibar section. We have a fully stocked minibar that will get restocked. Snickers, Coke products, beer, water, the necessities. And don't forget the Pringles and coffee. Closet with safe, of course, to protect our money. Slippers, iron, our own robes. As we continue, we do have the bed. King size bed, I must mention. Got 24-hour room service included. Calls to the US are included. Free Wi-Fi, and there's some little desserts waiting for us here. TV, of course. Sitting area with the complimentary bottle of Dominican rum, apples, and some cookies. And then we have the balcony. Let's go see our view. Here we have a pool slash ocean view slash more pool view. You might be able to hear the party pool over there. We have a private pool area for Exhale members. And of course, you can't forget the hot tub sitting on the balcony. Chairs. And one last thing, of course, the bathroom. We can't forget the bathroom. So let's go back here to the bathroom here, behind orange door. You got two sinks. Got a huge walk-in shower with the rain head. You have a scale. I don't want to see that.